Eating healthy is largely encouraged in society as it is a way to reduce risks of diseases and affects our body's function. But does it really come down to choice? The USDA estimates about 23.5 million people live in what are called food deserts. So, what is a food desert? Food deserts are areas that have limited access to affordable and nutritious food, which unfortunately is a problem, especially in lower income areas. This affects many neighborhoods across the country, including one only 4 miles away, Franklinton, Ohio. Franklinton is a lower income neighborhood that lacks access to nutritious foods. There are no large grocery stores in the area, making food insecurity at the forefront of the neighborhood's issues. The majority of the shopping options in the neighborhood include small, rundown markets, which are basically corner stores. These don't include fresh produce or many items with nutritional value. For eating out, some of the more accessible and abundant food sources include fast food restaurants, especially in the west part of town. These fast food restaurants, owned by massive chains, only contribute to the unhealthy eating habits and bad relationships with foods. Unhealthy eating doesn't necessarily come down to choice. Healthy food costs more. Researchers from Brown University and Harvard University studied diet patterns and costs, and they found that the healthiest diets were, on average, $1.50 more expensive per day. For families living paycheck to paycheck, the higher cost of healthy food could make it inaccessible even when it's readily available. The access to healthy food is essential as lifestyle factors play the biggest role for health. Nutrients in our food sustain and affect all of our body's function, and plant-based diets can reduce our risk for type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and even cancer. The major risk for dying early and losing quality of life is a poor diet, so eating healthy shouldn't be restricted because of income. With the revitalization of Franklinton, this has included the birth of Franklinton's Art District, which promotes the neighborhood's artistic culture. Food has the ability to share culture and creativity, nourish our bodies, and build community. Food should not only be a choice, but a human right, as it can connect us to the earth, each other, and create connections within our local community.